If you do not have burning desire, you will not be able to do anything. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This quote emphasizes the importance of patience, motivation, a deep inner drive to achieve significant goals. The burning desire represents an intense and unwavering commitment to something you want to accomplish. Without that strong, almost unstable desire, it's easy to get discouraged, distracted, or give up when faced with challenges. In other words, just having a casual interest or a lukewarm commitment is enough to achieve meaningful success or overcome inevitable obstacles on the journey. True achievements requires that inner fire, a relentless patience that pushes you to act, keep going, and stay resilient even when it's difficult or when others would give up. This kind of desire fuels dedication, hard work, and perseverance, which are essential ingredients for realizing ambitious goals. Let's break down the quote further to understand its deeper meaning. The power of burning desire. The problem with lukewarm ambitions. Example of burning desire in action. How to cultivate a burning desire. The power of burning desire include motivation, persistence, and sacrifice. When you having a burning desire, it means you are driven by a powerful, almost obsession longing to achieve something. It's not just a passing wish or a vague hope. It's a profound inner drive that pushes you beyond your comfort zone. This kind of intense desire is crucial because motivation, persistence, and sacrifice. First is motivation. It becomes your source of energy, especially when things get tough. It's what keeps you going when external rewards, recognition, or support are absent. Next is persistence. Many worthwhile goals comes with obstacles, setbacks, and failures. A strong desire fuels your persistence, making you willing to overcome these hurdles rather than quitting at first sign of difficulty. Next is sacrifice. Achieving significant goals often requires sacrificing time, confidence, or immediate gratification. A burning desire makes it easier to accept those sacrifices because you are deeply committed to your vision. Now next is the problem with lukewarm ambitions. On the flip side, if your desire is weak or half-hearted, it becomes difficult to stay focused and committed. Imagine trying to run a marathon without truly wanting to finish it. You will likely give up once fatigue sets in. Without a strong inner drive, easily deterred, lack of focus, minimal effort. First is easily deterred. Any setback, criticisms, or challenge will feel like a valid reason to quit. Next is lack of focus. You may get distracted easily or lose interest, especially if the goals requires long-term effort and patience. Next is minimal effort. Without patience, you are less likely to put in the consistent effort necessary for success. You will do the bare minimum, if anything at all. Now next is example of burning desire in action. Think of some of the greatest achievements in history. Scientists who dedicated their entire lives to their research, entrepreneurs who built the companies from nothing, athletes pushes their bodies beyond limits. Behind every significant accomplishment is often a strong of someone who was driven by a burning desire. Thomas Edison. He failed thousands of times before inventing a working light bulb. His desire to succeed was so strong that he viewed each failure as a learning step. Nelson Mandela. His desires for freedom and justice for his people kept him going even after 24 years of imprisonment. Next, Oprah Winfrey. She overcame significant childhood adversity driven by a desire to succeed and make an impact on the world. Now next is how to cultivate a burning desire. If you find that you lack this kind of intense drive, here are some ways to cultivate it. Find your why. Visualize the outcome. Surround yourself with inspiration. Set meaningful goals. Now first is find your why. Understand the deeper reason behind what you want to achieve. The clearer and more personal the reason, the stronger your desire will be. Visualize the outcome. Imagine what your life would be like if you achieved your goal. This mental picture can stoke your inner fire. Next is surround yourself with inspiration. Read stories, watch videos, or connect with people who have achieved that you're inspired to. Their patience can fuel your own. Next is set meaningful goals. Make sure the goals you set align with your values and passions. When you are personally invested, your desire will naturally be stronger. Now conclusion is ultimately the quote teaches us that a lukewarm or indifferent attitude will not lead to significant results. You need a burning desire, a deep, unwavering commitment to achieve your goals. It's that fire within that drives action, keeps you resilient in the face of setbacks, and ensures that you are willing to put in the hard work and sacrifices needed for success. Without that inner fire, the journey can feel impossible, but with it, even the toughest challenges become insurmountable. Thanks for watching.